Alright, you guys, trying something new today. This is a garlicky veggie rice ramen noodle soup. So it is totally it's gluten free. I actually got it from Whole Foods yesterday, so we're going to try this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I just opened it. It came with this little packet here. Okay, so this is what the little packet looks like. Alright, so now these noodles, see how it tastes. It's alright. Plus, with any other gluten-free stuff that's already pre-made, I need to add some salt. So I think I'll add some salt, add some cheese. Be on point. They're pretty good for ramen noodles, though. I haven't had ramen noodles in a long time because I haven't been able to. But this is pretty good for that. So, alright. This will definitely be put in my backpack for backpacking and camping or on the go.